Hello everyone, are you looking for chill and IG-worthy cafe? Come and visit BMF Cafe located at Akenda Street, Cruzada, Legazpi City. They are open Monday to Saturday 8 a.m. to 9 p.m. and Sundays 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. This place is also perfect sa mga magpartners, friends at lalong-lalo na sa mga students. Ang ganda ng place, talagang makakapag-relax ka bukod kasi sa malinis at masasarap na pagkain na in-offer nila ay mabait din ang staff, lalong-lalo na ang owner. Talaga namang magugustuhan nyo ang place na to. Not just the place ha, but the coffee and food they serve with love. BMF Cafe offers coffee, tea, frappe, cold brew, and they also offer a bucket of beers. For foods naman, they have nachos, sandwiches, they have fries, pasta, silog meals, seafoods, noodles, and more. The beautiful experience I love here is you can also try to make your own coffee and other drinks. Don't worry, dahil kung hindi ka naman marunong ay tuturuan ka nila. They will teach you how to use coffee machine. O diba, magkakape ka lang, may matututunan ka pa. Si ating barista pala is also a content creator. Support natin siya guys ha. Ito nga pala ang account niya. And after nga ni ate explain ng step by step how to make and use coffee machine, ay trinay ko na nga. Kung coffee lover ka nga, don't miss out. Pumunta ka na dito, may matututunan ka na, mag-e-enjoy ka pa. As you can see, ay ginagrind ko na yung coffee beans dyan na gagamitin ko for my iced coffee. And here naman, you need to measure the milks before you pour it into the cup. Dito naman ay insert ko na yung grind kong coffee para maging liquid na siya. Sobrang enjoy na enjoy ako while making my coffee. This is so unforgettable experience ever. And here naman I pour it on my drinks para maging iced coffee na nga siya. O diba? And finally, here's your Spanish latte iced coffee. Ala daraganyang Bicolana. O diba? O kung may importante kayong chismisa ng mga barkada mo or gusto mong mapag-isa o mag-relax, dito ka na. They also have free wifi din pala. Kaya kung naghahanap ka nga ng aesthetic, affordable, and relaxing place, dito ka na sa BMF Cafe. Kaya ikaw, tag mo na rin yung mga friends mo na mahilig mag-selfie sa mga cafes gaya nito. I'm sure magtatagal kayo dito kasi nakakaaliw yung place nila. Tara na! Sa BMF Cafe Legazpi. This is Daraganyang Bicolana. Thank you for watching. Bye!